The lost key. Max, a curious young boy, is walking to school when he spots something shiny on the ground. He bends down and picks up a small, old-looking key.
I wonder what this key unlocks.
Max wondered what the key could unlock. He tried the key on his locker, his backpack, and even his bike lock, but it didn't work on any of them.
This key must be for something else.
Max was disappointed, but he didn't give up. He asked his friends if they knew what the key could unlock, but nobody knew.
Sorry, Max, we don't know what it is for.
Max even went to the school librarian to see if she could help him. Max approaches the librarian, Miss Williams, who is sitting at her desk.
Excuse me, Miss Williams. Do you know what this key unlocks?
I'm sorry, Max. I don't know what it unlocks, but don't give up. Keep looking. Max thanks Miss Williams and leaves the library, determined to find out what the key unlocks. Max goes to the local hardware store and shows the key to the store owner.
Do you know what this key is for?
Sorry, kiddo. I don't recognize it, but keep trying. You will figure it out. Max started to lose hope, but he decided to keep trying. He searched online for clues and went to the hardware store to try the key on different laps. Max is on his computer, searching for information about the key.
Let's see. Old keys, antique keys, unique keys. That looks like my key. It says it's for an old garden door. I wonder if there's garden at school.
Max finds a website about old keys and sees a picture that looks similar to his key. After weeks of trying, Max finally found the lock that the key fit perfectly. It was an old and rusty door that led to a secret garden behind the school.
That must be it.
Max tries the key on the lock, and it fits perfectly. He opens the door and discovers a beautiful secret garden.
Wow, this is amazing.
Max was thrilled that he had found the hidden garden, and he spent hours exploring and enjoying the beauty of nature. Max is wandering around the beautiful garden, admiring the colorful flowers and listening to the birds singing.
I can't believe it. I found this secret garden. It's like a hidden treasure.
Suddenly, Max hears a faint sound coming from the other side of the garden. He follows the sound and finds a small bird trapped in a cage.
Oh no! What happened to you, little bird?
Max tries to open the cage with the key, but it doesn't fit. He looks around and finds a piece of metal wire, which he uses to unlock the cage.
There you go, you're free now.
The bird flies away, and Max feels proud and happy for helping the little animal.
I'm glad found this garden and was able to help a little bird. I'll keep coming here and taking care of it.
Max decides to keep the garden a secret and takes care of it every day after school. Max feels proud and happy that he found the secret garden and was able to help a little bird. He leaves school with a smile on his face and a sense of accomplishment. The moral lesson of this story is that we should always stay curious and never give up on solving a problem. Max's determination led him to discover something amazing, and he had a great adventure along the way. We should always keep an open mind, ask questions, and keep searching for answers, even if it takes time and effort. Hello there! If you enjoy the content on this channel and want to be the first to know when I post a new story, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. By subscribing, you will never miss out on the latest tales and adventures. Thanks for tuning in.